Hello, today I want to show you my version of besan laddu recipe. So I've got this mohantal atta from the store, which is equivalent to what the texture of besan laddu should be like. Likewise, I've also taken some sugar powder or sugar buru, and from dry fruits standpoint, I've taken cashews, almonds, and raisins. Likewise, I've also taken jaifal, which gives a really nice taste to besan laddus. Now this is my version, and I don't cook the besan over the gas, but I try to cook it in the microwave. So I've taken a microwave proof jar, and in that I've taken about one and a half cup of besan atta, which is a mohanthal atta, as I showed you before. And then I've added about two big spoons of ghee. And then what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to heat this in the oven for 30 seconds, at least 10 to 15 times. Okay, so this is going to be like a batched activity wherein I will be heating this besan mixture in ghee for 30 seconds for approximately 10 to 15 times. And every time you open the microwave, you will see that the besan is cooking and starting to color. Okay, that's how you get to know that it is cooking. But just take a look at the consistency of this mixture. If you feel that it's looking a little dry, then you can add more ghee based on your preference. Just be very mindful that the mixture should not be liquid. It should be like a semi-liquid form, so that in the end, when you add the sugar powder, it doesn't become like a halwa. Rather, it just holds on in order to convert them into round circles and laddu form. Likewise, I've also sauteed some dry fruits, the almonds and the cashews, likewise the raisins also, so that when we add it to this mixture, it'll give you a nice crunch. I've not blended it in the mixer because when I eat, I like to have that crunch while I'm having my laddu. So this is what I was talking about. By the end of your cooking process, the mixture should start looking like a chocolatey form. Okay, or like a caramelized form. So once that texture is achieved, you try to cool it down completely. Okay, so that you can start handling it with your hands. I've cleaned my hands, and so should you, so that you'll be able to knead the mixture quite well. Once it is cooled down, you can add for 1.5 cup of besan, I have taken approximately one similar cup of sugar powder. But don't do the mistake that I did. I just added the sugar as it was, and therefore it got lumps in it. So it took me some time to take out the lumps. You can avoid it by just sifting it through a sifter. And then I have just added the dry fruits that I had chopped. Be very generous, it gives a really nice taste. Likewise, I'm also going to add pinch of jaifal as well to this mixture. Just be mindful about adding jaifal because it tends to give a bitter taste if it is added in more quantity. Likewise, my mother's told me that it's also makes you feel sleepy, so just be very cautious about it. But trust me, it's like a game changer. It really gives that added edge to your laddus. And then once you just bring all of this together, start making them into round circles. As you can see, mine are not turning into perfect circles because of the amount of ghee that I may have added. But don't worry about it. Just convert them into smaller pieces, and you know just put it